Extreme wind warning. National Weather Service Tampa Bay Area, Ruskin, Florida. Issued at 5:27 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Wednesday, September 28, 2022. The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued an extreme wind warning for southwestern Highlands County and south central Florida, southern Hardee County and central Florida, southeastern Manatee County and west central Florida, Charlotte County and southwestern Florida, DeSoto County and south central Florida, Lee County and southwestern Florida, southeastern Sarasota County and west central Florida, until 7:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 5:26 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated extreme winds associated with the eye wall of Hurricane Ian were moving onshore over Charlotte County or near Punta Gorda. The hurricane eye wall was moving slowly northeast at 5 miles per hour. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Take cover now. Treat these imminent extreme winds as if a tornado was approaching and move immediately to the safe room in your shelter. Take action now to protect your life.